Hey guys, just a short video showing you some upgrades in ByteLight headquarters. You may know that I've been frustrating myself about lighting here, mainly during live streams, that it switches off automatically. There it goes. That's what I wanted to happen in this video. I don't like that when I'm doing videos, when I'm making videos or doing live streams. So I decided to put something in between, which is actually called a smart hub. And there are, I think, 5, 6 or more brands and types that you can choose. And because I already had switches from the Trust Smart Home system, in Holland it's called KlikAanKlikUit, I decided to also use a hub from them. And there are two types, or even three I think. One is for Zigbee only, one is for the old system, which I use here, and one is for both the old system and the newer Zigbee standard. So you can imagine that the one that fits both is the most expensive one, and I needed the most expensive one because the cheapest one for only the old system, the budget system, doesn't allow the sensors that I used to use as input devices, which I needed because I still want to be able to have the lighting switch on automatically, because that is the default for me. So when I walk in here, the lights automatically go on. And that's what I like. It saves time, it saves money, I'm a bit lazy, that's what I like. But that wasn't enough for videos, so what I did is I bought the ICS 2000 system from Trust, which is called the KlikAanKlikUit Smart Hub 2000 series. I also bought the 1000 series hub, but that didn't work as I wanted. That was the cheapest one, as I just told. So I bought the more expensive one, and I want to show you the software. So now if I just go to the app, I hope you can see it a bit. You can see this is ByteLight headquarters, so I installed all the sensors here. But you can switch between scenes. I don't think the lighting is quite good, but on my smart phone, the camera doesn't pick it up quite well. So I can choose between everything on. You can see the light switches on again. I can put everything off. Now it's dark. Wow, still good light, enough light here. And I can put it to automatic again, but it won't switch on now because the sensors already are in on state, So we'll put it on to all on for now for this video. So that's what I did. It's not very cheap. The hub costs about 80 euro or something. And the devices, the switches, aren't that expensive. So I think the infrared sensors cost 15 euro each, and the switches that you need are about the same. I think I've got some more here I can show you. So I got some, let me show you, I got another switch that can be used by either one of the infrared sensors or manual switches wirelessly, or with the hub in between, which I'm doing now. So there's an outdoor sensor that I can use for something, and a remote control that I maybe not need to use, but maybe I will, I'm not sure. Maybe I can use it to select one of the scenes that I did just on the app. That could be useful if my phone is not here or something, or it's charging, I don't know, So I can do that, and there will be some more lighting here, but I will show you that in another video in the future. Some very cool ZX Spectrum related lighting, of course. So I think that will be cool. This is for now enough for now. Let's get on to the real videos of today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!